I've been getting a lot of rejections too, said Manuel. It always like Manuel, where do you get the rejections? Are you getting them when before interviews or getting them after interviews? Like always think of like how does your profile fit to the profile of the job that is there, and think about like most of the time when you analyze a job and when you analyze an applicant, you think about, okay, I have this job here where these skills are needed. This person, how does this person fit to this job? How long does it take for this person to be up to speed, to be on like peak productivity? And look at it like that. So very often, like if you're on a junior data engineer level and you apply to a senior or a data engineer role, it can happen that you're not getting the job, because when you look at it, from when somebody looks at your application and this person looks at what is needed for the job, then they find out that like, okay, this person, it takes us like 6 months, 7, 8 months to actually get this person to peak productivity, that we don't need to do any training anymore. And then there are a lot of other people who are just taking like, who are like, the guesstimate is like 4 months, 3 months, and then you're out. Like that's always like, yeah.